The temperature at 18 degrees north latitude is enough to melt away long-suppressed worries. Breezes carrying floral scents waft gently, soothing the tumult within. It's time to venture towards the mountains and seas. To see, to hear, to smell, to taste, to touch. Every sense is awakened. Where is your destination? Cool Hai Nan for sure. A Cool Hai Nan. Is Hainan cool? Absolutely. Hainan is super cool. It is the only tropical island province in China, located at the southernmost tip of the country. It is also the world's largest free trade port and boasts the most concentrated, well-preserved, and largest contiguous area of tropical rainforest in China. With its abundant resources and cultural landscapes, Hainan is known as the marvelous land of the South China Sea. Relying on the advantages and policy benefits of the free trade port, Hainan is striving to become 3 zones and 1 preferred destination. Hainan is emerging as a preferred international tourism consumption destination. This ever-changing island is becoming an ideal place that global tourists long for. In Hainan, there are countless trendy and cool tourism plus activities covering eating, living, transportation, traveling, shopping, and entertainment, and catering to people of all age groups. Everyone can find their own trendy and cool way to play here. And meet the coolest Hainan, diverse landscapes in different seasons. Hainan is a land that abounds with scenery. On its 35,400 square kilometers of land, from the morning glow at dawn to the afterglow at sunset, with clouds in the sky and mist in the forest, the treetops, mountains, and rivers all shine with brilliance. Located on the Golden Tourist Line at 18 degrees north latitude, Hainan has developed 9 mature coastal tourism resorts, 3 national and provincial tourism resorts, 6 hot spring tourism resorts, 123 internationally and domestically renowned hotels, built to 5-star standard, 84 A-grade tourist attractions, 10 tourist towns, 131 gold, silver, and copper graded rural homestays, and 217 coconut-rated rural tourism sites. Come to Hainan and travel through the 4 seasons. Enjoy the kapok and bauhinia flowers in spring, encounter the cool rainforest in summer, listen to the rustling of coconut palms in autumn, and bask in the warm sunshine on the coast in winter. Hainan is the first place where spring arrives, with flowers blooming all over the mountains. Kapok and bauhinia flowers bloom, jointly forming a colorful and stunning landscape. It is the best place to escape summer heat, where you can hide in the tropical rainforest in the central part of the island and feel the refreshing air and coolness. It is a place where autumn is most precious, with sandy shores and coconut palms becoming lively under the gentle touch of the autumn breeze. It is a place that remains warm in winter, with the sunset glow between the sky and sea eye-catching. A glimpse of time-honored charm. The ocean is vast, for it embraces hundreds of rivers. Hainan boasts not only cool ecosystems, but also cool cultures. This is the 3rd largest hometown of overseas Chinese in China. Among ancient trees and flowers, you can see arcade streets with the Nanyang style and houses that blend Chinese and Western architectural elements. The old alleys, houses, and their timeless charm resemble a Nanyang landscape painting. This is also home to the Li and Miao ethnic groups. Their splendid and tangible cultural heritage use raw materials sourced from nature, combined with inspiration and craftsmanship. Traditional festivals such as the March 3rd Festival, and the Tanmen Seafood Festival offer windows into Hainan's unique culture. Li Brocade, Hainanese opera, Danzhou tune, and more are intangible cultural heritage items that have been passed down through generations, preserved, and innovated upon. They shine like bright pearls in Hainan's long history. Here, there is a time machine for conversing with history. Follow in the footsteps of Su Dong Po and listen to the echoes of 1,000 years. With the stories, characters, products, and cuisine described in Su Dong Po's poems, let's unlock new experience of Su Dong Po culture. Boundless joy from sky to sea. In Hainan, you can indulge in the romance and beauty brought by sunshine, beaches, and coastlines, or dive into the ocean to explore the rich diversity of marine life. You can embark on a jungle adventure in the tropical primitive rainforest or enjoy the thrill of shopping at the duty-free malls. Here lies the coolest coastline. With a marine area of 22 million square kilometers, Hainan boasts 1,944 kilometers of continuous coastline and 68 stunning bays, where 9 mature coastal tourism resorts, such as Yalong Bay, Haitong Bay, and Ryue Bay, have been established. Here are the coolest stops. National Coastline Scenic Route Number 1. Hainan Coastal Scenic Highway connects 40 stops, over 50 tourist attractions and resorts, and 68 distinctive bays along the way. A smooth drive brings you scenic views all the way, allowing you to observe sea tides, stand on cliffs, explore volcanoes, visit salt pans, see lighthouses, and stroll through coconut forests. The stops along the route are cultural experience stations infused with local characteristics and more artistic spiritual holy spots. Here lies the coolest shopping experience. Hainan offers favorable prices and convenient services for duty-free shopping. Each person can enjoy a duty-free shopping quota of 100,000 yuan per year. Leveraging its off-island duty-free policies, there are 6 major duty-free groups and 11 off-island duty-free shops in the province, with over 1,500 brands in each duty-free shop, allowing consumers to buy global luxury goods without leaving the country, shopping duty-free products worldwide. Here lies the coolest carnival. During the annual Hainan Island Carnival, various venues in Hainan carefully launch diverse and exciting activities and products, blending tradition with modernity and culture with technology. Visitors can stroll through distinctive streets, taste authentic local delicacies, and watch fascinating performances. Here lies the coolest spots. Hainan is a water-loving paradise for sports, surrounded by the sea on all sides, with numerous rivers and lakes. Hainan is an ideal place for water sports, underwater diving, river rafting, and rainforest hiking. The visa-free policy for people from 59 countries, the uniquely advantageous tropical environment, and a variety of international events create a strong atmosphere for sports. During the annual Hainan water sports season, dozens of events are launched. Additionally, Hainan holds the Hainan Cheongzhong Cup National Women's Football Invitational Tournament, the Tour of Hainan International Road Cycling Race, the Hainan Marathon, and others, totaling 118 branded sports events throughout the year. Listen as the soul converses with the season. Explore where green meets blue in harmony. Embark on a journey to a place described in poem. Admire the stunning flowers, trees, and sunshine. A Cool Hai Nan offers multiple trendy and cool ways for you to play.